Origin of simile. Simile comes from the Latin word similis, which refers to similar and like. So the word simile itself suggests the meaning of being similar. Now we talk about definition of simile. According to the Oxford Learner's Dictionary, a simile is defined as a word or phrase that compares something to something else, using the words like or as. We have another definition. The Cambridge Dictionary defines a simile as an expression comparing one thing with another, always including the words as or like. We continue our discussion. We have more ideas about definition of simile. A simile is an expression which describes a person or a thing as being similar to someone or something else. According to the Collins Dictionary, we have some more ideas. The Merriam-Webster Dictionary defines a simile as a figure of speech comparing two unlike things that is often introduced by like or as. Why do we use simile? We use simile because it makes creative writing and speech more exciting, impressive, and memorable. Simile provides a mental image, a mental picture to the reader or listener. We continue with some more ideas. It makes an idea a lot more vivid, clear, and descriptive. We continue. It helps readers visualize, understand, and have a better conception of the quality of the nouns being compared. So these are some of the most important reasons why we use simile. The use of simile makes our speech, makes our writing, our idea more impressive, expressive, ornamental, and beautiful. A structure of simile with like. Let us take the word like, how we can use it. So the structure is like this. We must have verb. After verb we have like, the word like, and then we have noun. How can we use this structure in a sentence? Look at the first example. Life is like a box of chocolates. So we have is verb. After verb we have the word like, and then we have noun, a box. And then we can have other words according to your imagination. We have another example. Her face is like a moon. So we have the verb is. After verb we have the word like, and then we have the word noun, a moon. Likewise, we have many other examples. She swims like a fish. He moves like a snail. He climbs like a monkey. We have another structure of simile with the word as. With the word as, and a structure is like this. We have the first as. After that we use adjective, and after that we use the word as, and then we use noun. And we have the example like this. As tall as a giraffe. We have another example. As sweet as sugar. You can see the word as, after that adjective, after that as, and then we have the word noun, sugar. Likewise, we have as strong as an ox. Likewise, as brave as a lion, and as cold as ice. Simile used by great literary figures. I wandered lonely as a cloud. See the phrase as a cloud. And this was composed by William Wordsworth in the poem Daffodils. We have another example. Is love a tender thing? It is too rough, too rude, too boisterous, and it pricks like thorn. So like thorn, you can notice, written by William Shakespeare in the drama Romeo and Juliet. We have another example. Oh, my love is like a red, red rose, by Robert Burns in the poem A Red, Red Rose. And the last example here is Life is like a box of chocolate, by Winston Groom in his famous novel Forrest Gump. These are some of the examples of simile being used by great writers and poets. Hope you understand the concept. Thank you and goodbye.